The 17 Mechanical One-Member Limited Liability Company, or MC17, was established on May 19, 1956, by the General Department of Military Industries and Manufacture. Our company is a state-owned company which specializes in manufacturing mechanical products, pressure casting, processing metal surfaces, exporting household appliances and stoves. Our address is in Dong Xuân Commune, Sóc Sơn District, Hanoi. Our company's major services and business include manufacturing metallic, non-metallic, and colored metallic products, manufacturing and trading welding materials and tools, processing the surfaces of metallic and non-metallic products, manufacturing and trading medals, logos, awards, icons, souvenirs, photo and certificate frames, jewels and ornaments, manufacturing and trading statues and monuments, manufacturing and exporting mechanical products for consumption. We have enhanced our products' quality and manufacturing process by following standard criteria. We are investing in high technology in these services or products. Raw die cast products made of zinc aluminum alloys in hot and cold die casting chambers and with a locking force from 65 tons to 1,000 tons. Plastic pressing technology. Mechanical products processed with CNC processing machines such as lathing, 3-axis or 5-axis processing, laser carving, pulsing, and heated by tempering furnaces with gas protection systems. Processing or die pressing. With a pressure of 1,800 tons, pressing and cutting slabs, pressing products into shapes, punching, automatic stamping, milling, melting aluminum alloy. High-tech plating system providing products with outer layers made of copper, nickel, chromium, silver and iron. Electrostatic painting technology, glazing technology and black metal, modeling metals with corrosion technology and anodizing technology and aluminum alloy. To ensure strict inspection of input materials, we invested in high-technology machines such as X-ray non-destructive testing machines and 3D measuring machines. Wastewater treatments. This technology improvement has increased our productivity, reduced labor cost, ensured the precision of each product and met strict requirements of domestic and international markets. Europe has been the leading import market of our products, followed by many other difficult markets. We export stoves to the German Landmann Group, household appliances made of stainless steel to IKEA Group in Sweden, and sewing machine frames to Jaguar Group in Japan. In the near future, we also have strategies to expand the export market and maintain a sustainable trade with our loyal customers. Furthermore, we continue to invest in human resource and high technology in order to join the global value chain of manufacturing and supplying high-quality industrial products. The company's business could not be efficient without the support of our partners. This cooperation confirms our product's quality in both domestic and international markets. Our partners are Landmann Group in Germany, IKEA Group in Sweden, Piaggio Group in Italy, Honda, Yamaha, Nissan, Jaguar and Nagoya companies in Japan, IDEO company in France.